Alright, you are not going to believe what's happening in space right now. So, for the past month, every powerful telescope on Earth has been staring at this one weird object heading towards our sun. It's called 3I Atlas, and it's our third ever visitor from another star system. And trust me, this thing is bizarre. You might remember the first one, Oumuamua from 2017, that crazy, cigar-shaped rock that left everyone scratching their heads. Then we got 2I Borisov, which was basically just a normal comet, but from really, really far away. Cool, but not super weird. 3I Atlas, though? It's shaping up to be the weirdest one yet. First off, this thing is fast. We first spotted it back in May, when it was out past Jupiter. Now, in September, it's already passing Mars, and it's going to whip around the sun on October 29th. It's moving so fast that the sun's gravity can't catch it. It's just visiting and then heading right back out into deep space. But here's where it gets strange. When we first saw it, way out by Jupiter, it was already super bright. Normally, comets, which are basically big, dirty snowballs, don't start glowing until they get much closer to the sun. The heat makes their ice turn directly into gas, creating that fuzzy halo called a coma. This object started glowing way too early. So, scientists figured it must be made of something different. And they were right. The James Webb Telescope took a look and found its coma isn't made of water vapor like our comets. It's almost pure carbon dioxide gas, like a giant cloud of it that's nearly half the size of the sun. The object at the center is estimated to be up to 46 kilometers across, and it kept getting weirder. As it got closer, it started to form a tail. Normal, right? Except the tail started pointing towards the sun. That makes no sense. The sun is constantly blowing out solar wind, which should push the tail away from it. Imagine sticking your head out of a car window and the wind pushes your hair forward. That's what's happening here. Baffling. Then a massive telescope in Chile made maybe the strangest discovery of all. It looked at the gas cloud around 3I Atlas and found nickel metal. But here's the kicker. It found 0 iron. In space, iron and nickel are always found together. They're like cosmic partners, forged in dying stars and scattered everywhere. The only time you find nickel by itself is when humans separate it industrially. So, how did a comet get pure nickel without any iron? We have no idea. Naturally, people are starting to whisper the A word. Aliens. Think about it. The known facts are weird enough that you can create some wild theories. Why did it get so bright so early? Maybe it was a giant alien ship turning on its lights. Why is it surrounded by a giant cloud of CO2? Maybe it's a ship full of living beings venting their breathable air into space. Why is there pure nickel? Maybe it's a piece of alien technology. No one can say for sure that these theories are wrong. It's probably not aliens, but you can't prove it isn't. The good news is we have a couple more chances to get a good look. In early October, 2 European orbiters at Mars will try to take pictures as it flies by. We won't get a super clear photo, but we might be able to see the shape of the object inside that huge gas cloud. Then, after it swings around the sun, we get one last shot. On March 16th, 2026, it will fly past Jupiter. We have an old probe there called Juno that was about to be crashed into the planet. But now, there's a new idea, send Juno on a detour to fly by 3I Atlas instead. So yeah, we still have more questions than answers, but that's what makes it so exciting. We're watching a true cosmic mystery unfold right in our own backyard, and you can bet we'll be covering every new discovery as it happens. To make sure you don't miss out on what we find, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You won't want to miss how this story ends.